Welcome, here I've got Meizu M8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect here we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by using the button from the left. So hi again, and now let's move to the right corner button so we can open the camera settings. Now at the first place we can see the mirror option with short info that this save photos mirrored as preview. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.